Welcome back! Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, safety on wheels. Whether we are riding a bicycle, a scooter, or even using roller skates, a fall can happen at any time. So it's important to always protect our heads with helmets. Lots of kids tell me they're really good at riding their bike and don't need a helmet. But helmets are there for accidents if we fall or someone runs into us. Remember, it doesn't matter what sport you're playing. Protecting our heads with helmets is the best way to stay safe. Think about your favorite athlete. Maybe it's a football player or an extreme sport athlete. They all are the best at their game, and they protect their heads with helmets. So what does a helmet actually do? Helmets protect our head protects our brain, and our brains are what helps us to think, to move, and why we're so smart. Let's talk to my friend Sarah from AAA and see what she has to say.
Hey there!
Hi.
Riding a bike can be lots of fun, but the fun can end quickly if you're not practicing bicycle safety. The most important thing you want to do is make sure that you're wearing a helmet when you're riding. Our helmets protect our heads, and our heads protect our skulls, and our skulls protect our brain. Our brain is what makes us so smart and able to do all of the fun things that we love to do each day. So, the first step to make sure that your helmet is ready to protect your brain, just in case you have a crash, is to do the 2v1 check. So, first thing we want to do, hold up 2 fingers. Place them right above your eyebrows, like this, and that is where you want the front of your helmet to lie. Next, make a V. Place it at the base of your ear. This is where the helmet strap should go around your ears. Perfect. Now make a number 1. Put that in between your strap and your chin. You should be able to fit 1 finger. That's going to ensure that you can still talk and breathe normally while riding, but it's also going to make sure that your helmet doesn't fall off if you were to crash. Now, anytime you have the opportunity to go bike riding and there's a sidewalk to use, make sure you do that. And remember, always ride with an adult. Now, have fun, be safe.
Hello again, friends. I hope you've learned some good stuff about helmets and why we need them to stay safe. Just like cookies and milk go together, think of the helmet and wheels as best friends. They're not as much fun without each other. Make sure you always take care of your helmet. If you have a bad fall, remember, 1 crash, helmet in the trash. Let's review some things you ought to know. 1. Helmets protect our heads. Our heads protect our brains. And our brains are what makes us so smart. 2. Make sure your helmet is properly fitted using the 2v1 rule. 3. Just like a seatbelt, wear your helmet no matter how close or far you ride. 4. 1 crash, helmet in the trash. Now, think about things you've learned today about helmet safety. Make sure to teach someone at home. Safety is for all ages.